How does the device accurately recognize snoring? The device comes preset with 40 snoring data models and 8 learning models. When a new, more appropriate model is detected, the device will replace the current model in use. Once powered on, the device will analyze the user's snoring data for 30 seconds to 1 minute to determine the appropriate learning model to use. This deep learning function greatly improves the accuracy of snoring recognition. How can I simulate snoring to test the device? First, reset the device to default settings. Then, in a quiet environment, simulate rhythmic snoring as naturally as possible. Try snoring louder and continue for a short period of time. You should be able to feel the device vibrate in response to the snoring. Under what circumstances will the device not intervene? The device will not intervene when it detects significant movement of the head. This is to account for the fact that the user may be half awake when using the device. To improve the user experience, the device will also not intervene when it detects very minor snoring or vibrations from the user.